morning everyone. Today we will do the topic kind of clothes we wear in summer and in winter. So first of all, let me talk about summer. Now I am giving you two examples. Just tell me which one will you prefer. Light colored cloth or dark colored cloth. Out of these two, light colored cloth or dark colored cloth, which type of cloth will you prefer to wear in summer? Just think, in summer you wear light colored cloth or dark colored cloth? Yes, answer is light colored cloth. Clear? So in summer we used to prefer light colored cloth, and vice versa in winter we used to prefer dark colored cloth, right? Now why in summer we would prefer to wear light colored cloth, and why in winter we would prefer to wear dark colored cloth? Just think. Yes, its answer is light colored clothes. They reflect the light that falls on them. Suppose this is a light colored cloth. Light will come. What the cloth will do? It will reflect. Means as the light will come, it will go back. Clear? So light colored clothes, they reflect most of the sunlight. They reflect most of the sunlight that falls on them. Okay, they reflect the sunlight that falls on them, and that's why we feel comfortable during summer, because they do not absorb sunlight. As the sunlight will come, they will just reflect it back. Clear? Now vice versa, dark colored clothes, they absorb sunlight. Okay, dark colored clothes absorb sunlight. So as they absorb sunlight, it means they will keep us warmer, and that's why we used to prefer them during the winter. Clear? Now just I'm asking one more example. Tell me, woolen clothes. You like to wear woolen clothes in summer or in winter? Yes, think. Your answer will be winter. Now again the question is why? Actually this we had done in chapter 3 also. Wool. Wool is obtained from the hair of sheep, goat, yak. Okay, so wool is obtained from hair. So 2 points are valid over here. First, hair is bad conductor of heat. So woolen clothes are bad conductor of heat. If you are wearing them, they do not let your body heat to go into the outside cold surrounding. Am I clear? Woolen clothes are made from hair, and hair are bad conductor of heat. So if you are wearing woolen clothes, it means hair are there, right? And these hair are bad conductor of heat. They will not let your body heat to go into the outside surrounding. Okay? Hence, they will keep us warmer. This is first point. Woolen clothes are made up from the hair, and hair is poor conductor of heat. Second point. First point, hair is poor conductor of heat. Okay? And woolen clothes are obtained from the hair of sheep or goat. And second point, in between the woolen fibers you had seen some spaces are present. Okay. Now in between these spaces, air can be trapped, as I told you. Okay. In between these spaces, air can be trapped. Okay. And again, air is poor conductor of heat. Air is poor conductor of heat. So in winter, we used to prefer woolen clothes because woolen clothes are obtained from hair of sheep. Hair can trap air. Air is a poor conductor of heat. It doesn't allow your body heat to go into the outside surrounding, hence it keeps us warmer. I am repeating once again. Woolen clothes are made from the hair. Hair can trap air. Air is poor conductor of heat. So the air which is present in the woolen clothes, it doesn't let your body heat to go into the outside surrounding. Hence woolen clothes keep us warmer. Okay. Now I am asking one question. Suppose winter is there. Okay. Now your mother is giving you two options. Either you can opt for a thick blanket or two thin blanket. You are having two options. One thick blanket and second option is two thin blanket. Which one will you prefer? Think. You are having one thick blanket and two thin blanket. Your answer should be two thin blanket. Now why? Just think. If the blankets are two, obviously in between the two blankets there will be some space, and in that space air will be present. Now I told you, air is poor conductor of heat. It doesn't let your body heat to go into the outside surrounding. So that's why out of these two options, two thin blankets will keep you warmer as compared to one thick blanket, because in between the two thin blankets air can be trapped. Okay, thank you.